अस्सलाम वालेकुम बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, दिस इज़ मूसा और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि हाउ आई फिक्स माई फोकस बाय कंज्यूमिंग लेस। इन दिस वीडियो में आई एम गोना गिव यू टैक्टिक्स ऑफ हैविंग अ फोकस लेवल सो डीप एंड सो इम्यून टू डिस्ट्रैक्शन दैट आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस यू गोना बी अ डिफरेंट पर्सन। लेकिन अगर तुम इस वीडियो को फोकस करके एंड तक नहीं देख सकते ना, देन रियली इट टेल्स मी हाउ कुक्ड योर अटेंशन स्पैन इज। सो आई एम गोना गो टू माई डिजिटल बोर्ड एंड एक्सप्लेन यू ईच एंड every part of the process. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Now, what does this video focus on? It's going to be actual practical advice that you can take from this video and it's going to help you in the long run. And why this will work? Because I'm a living proof of that. I have multiple businesses under my belt. I have a full-time family. I live in America. I find the time to do everything because I really know when and where to put my focus, right? And I've been doing my business along with content and along with a lot of things and still putting in 8 to 12 hours of work daily. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to go over is why most mainstream advice on internet is bullshit, right? And the reason is because most of that focuses on willpower, right? It says keep the willpower increase karo, you need to be a man, you need to do this, you need to do that, which is well and good. But what happens is when you accrue enough willpower and you get your work done, but the moment you lose that willpower and you burn out, you get into your bad habits. And when you get into your bad habits, you completely lose focus and you feel bad about yourself and you think ke jo bhi tumhari willpower jo tumne pehle jama ki thi, that was all for nothing. Another bullshit you will see a lot around the internet is self-improvement. Self-improvement tum karo, tum itne baje gym jao, tum ye karo, tum wo karo, but they don't really give you the core of what matters and what doesn't, right? They just tell you to do these things of meditation vagara, which are all good, going to the gym and everything, and even cold showers, but they don't really tackle the problem at hand. ठीक है, तुम external चीजें बताते हैं without going to the source of it, right? And then some advices will tell you to build discipline, and I say that over and over again that building discipline is the key. But even then, how are you going to build discipline? How are you going to unlock the key of masters, right? How are you going to do that? And really it comes down to this thing of going back to our word focus, right? अब होता क्या है कि जब लोगों ने फोकस बढ़ाना होता है ना, दे विल फाइंड वेज टू इंक्रीज फोकस विद एवरीथिंग दे हैव गोइंग ऑन इन देयर लाइफ, बट व्हाट वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन इज व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फोकस, राइट? व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फोकस? एंड द ऑपोजिट ऑफ फोकस इज distraction, right? So if you want to increase your focus, you need to lower your distraction, and this is much easier than always relying on focus and increasing it with all of your distractions in place. Okay, but really if you talk about it, it sounds easier said than done, and I get that. लेकिन we're going to tackle this problem step by step. So तुम्हें जो सबसे पहली चीज करनी पड़ेगी वो है अपनी डोपामिन लेवल को तुम्हें कम करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? अपनी डोपामिन बेसलाइन लेवल को कम करना पड़ेगा और डोपामिन डेट के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. Now what do I mean by dopamine debt, right? So the problem with nowadays is that we are starved of boredom. हमें boredom मिलता ही नहीं है कहीं पे instantly, like we are always connected to entertainment, right? अब देखो कहीं पे भी तुम जाते हो, तुम किसी लाइन में भी तुम्हें 2 मिनट खड़ा होना पड़ जाता है, तुम यूं तुम्हारा फोन निकलता है and everybody is glued to their screens and they're either watching TikTok, scrolling reels, replying to messages. There's always some sort of a stimulation. We are in a stimulation max society. Stimulation, right? Stimulation max society. Obviously, when you're constantly getting stimulation, your dopamine levels are always up over here. And for you to really focus on your work needs to be at the same level, right? But really, when you do work and when you do the things that are hard in life, they are somewhere over here, right? But all of your stimulation, which is your normal, या तुम्हारी जो नॉर्मल डोपामिन लेवल्स है वो यूजुअली यहाँ पे होते हैं. सो इफ यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग दैट ब्रिंग्स योर लेवल्स ओवर हियर, देन नथिंग्स गोना फील एक्साइटिंग टू यू, राइट? दैट इज व्हाई फॉर एग्जांपल एनीबॉडी who's a cigarette smoker, when they smoke cigarette for the first time, it feels way different than when you keep on smoking and it becomes a habit, because now your dopamine has set a new benchmark, right? So every time if you want to feel better than that, you need to go above that level, and then if you want to feel better than that, you need to go above that level, right? But the good thing about our brain is कि जो हमारा brain है ना, वो जो recent memories होती है ना when it comes to dopamine, उन्हीं को अपने दिमाग में रखता है, right? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make your recent activities so boring that your work actually feels exciting to you. Basically जब तुम सुबह उठते हो, सबसे पहला काम लोग क्या करते हैं? सबसे पहले they check their phone, right? The first thing they do is check their phone, notifications, or even worse, the notification नहीं है, instantly their thumb automatically goes to Instagram, Facebook, whatever have you, right? And then they start looking at the reels and they start looking at the posts from their friends, stories वगैरह, and instantly you start dopamine maxing, right? Like your brain haven't even rebooted, right? It's not even ready yet. तुम्हारे जो सारे neuroreceptors हैं वो अभी तक उठे भी नहीं है, and then instantly you're feeding it dopamine, the cheap dopamine that is giving you no reward later. And it's like really like a slot machine, right? So you're going and going and going, you're always waiting for the next high, right? So the first 10 minutes of your morning is really important. So what I want you to do is do nothing. really do nothing. Like, when you wake up in the morning, even if you're lying at your bed, right, all I want you to do is, lying at your bed, like literally stare at the ceiling, right? Stare at the ceiling and just look at it. Just look at it, be in your thoughts, and it's gonna be really hard for you, trust me. Like, don't do anything, just be in your thoughts, recollect your thoughts, try to wake yourself up, don't touch any stimulation, don't do anything like that, right? So once the 10 minutes has passed, what I personally do is मैं फौरन अपना लैपटॉप पकड़ता हूँ and I instantly start doing the work that I left off the night before, या फिर जो मैंने to do list night before बनाई होती है उसके में जो सबसे पहला hardest task होता है, I start looking at that. I don't even check my emails, I don't check my messages, because I do run a business and I do need to check messages, but if I see a message that is not good, it's not delightful, then it's going to set my mood for the rest of the day, whether good or bad, right? And I don't want that. So for the first 10 minutes, I don't do anything. I lie in the bed, I just recollect my thoughts. Uske baad I go to my laptop instantly while I'm in bed and I start looking at the most important task. Now, agar aapke paas laptop nahi hai, that is fine as well. Get your ass up and just instantly go to your computer and say, maybe brush your teeth, wagera, and then go to your computer and start working, and then just sit on your desk and, do the hardest thing first. Get yourself to do that and at least do it for 20 to 30 minutes, right? 20 to 30 minutes you need to do that, and then maybe you're allowed to check your phone. But even then, I will tell you, when you're checking your phone, don't go to the social media apps, Facebook or Instagram, because बहुत मुश्किलों से तुम अभी अपने आप को इस लेवल पे लाए हो जहां पे तुम्हारे डोपामिन की बेसलाइन लो है. So you can check your phone for any important information, right? Any important information or any important message, कोई family member का message है, कोई business का message है, कोई ऐसा है जिसको you need to tackle. Then you start tackling those, right? Still हमें भी entertainment चीजों पे नहीं गई. Start tackling those, and then when I want you to do is, like, when enough time has passed, maybe like 1 hour to 90 minutes, 1 hour to 90 minutes, then I want you to take your caffeine, if you take caffeine, right? Because you don't want to take caffeine as soon as you wake up, because जो तुम्हारे body के normal cortisol levels होते हैं, they're still being produced, right? So if you introduce caffeine too early, like 35 to 40 minutes के अंदर ही, then it's gonna mess up your natural cortisol production, और उससे तुम्हें bit jittery feel होगा या तुम्हें wake feel होगा for the time being, but then later on you're gonna have an afternoon crash, right? So you don't want to have that, and I've noticed that within myself too. Every time I have taken caffeine later, like घंटे बाद या 1.5 घंटे बाद, and then I've taken it has given me much better results in the long run throughout the day, rather than taking it first thing in the morning. And I it really helps me avoid the crash. Now, you've seen that I have not consumed any food yet as well. I haven't consumed any food or anything, but if you want, you can take light breakfast with your caffeine. Okay? The first time when you consume caffeine, you can take some light breakfast. For me, typically all I do is I just take 2 boiled eggs, and that's it. Take 2 boiled eggs, right? ताकि मैं कभी कभी होता है कि खाली पेट पे नहीं लेना चाहता caffeine, so that's what I do, right? And that gives me no stimulation. I swear boiled eggs is the most boring shit you can have, but really what we're trying to do, we are decreasing our dopamine level. And when I drink that coffee for me is a stimulus, या cue for my body to start really going into deep work. ठीक है? So now that coffee triggers कि अच्छा, जो मैंने सुबह वाली टास्क थी वो थोड़ी सी कंप्यूटर पे लैपटॉप पे देख ली, थोड़े से मैंने emails, important messages देख लिए. Now it's time for me to go into focus mode, right? And that is why I take coffee or any sort of caffeine very strategically. Okay? So a lot of people also abuse caffeine to the point where they will take it whenever. मतलब कि अगर कोई enjoyment का time होता है उसमें भी caffeine ठूस रहे हैं, कोई भी काम करे उसमें caffeine ठूस रहे हैं. So if you have any sort of stimulus, whether it is nicotine or caffeine, you want to associate that with your work. ठीक है? कि जब मैं ये caffeine पीऊंगा, जब मैं चाय का कप पीऊंगा, I would want to focus. So अपने दिमाग को इस तरह ट्रेन करो कि जब भी मैं चाय कॉफी का कप पी रहा हूं, अब मैंने डीप फोकस वर्क में जाना है. ठीक है? एंड अनदर थिंग बिफोर आई वांट टू गो अहेड इज के some people say that waking up 5 a.m. in the morning is the best time. Some people say 6 a.m. It doesn't matter. I wake up like around 9 to 10, ya kabhi 10 to 11, but I still get the work done, right? It's about getting the work done. Even if you wake up from 12 to 1, it doesn't matter. As long as you're getting the task done, जो कि तुमने अपने दिन में लिखे हुए थे, it doesn't matter. And everybody have their peak hours as well. For me, I have 2 time slots for peak hours. One is around, I would say, 11 to 2 p.m. and then the other one I have is 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. ठीक है, ये मेरी पीक टाइम होता है. यहाँ पे मैं सबसे ज्यादा लॉजिकल वर्क करता हूँ, लॉजिकल वर्क, एंड यहाँ पे मैं सबसे ज्यादा इमोशनल वर्क करता हूँ, which is creativity. So this is where I come up with the most creative plans about my community, Inner Circle 3.0, about my content creation, about anything that requires the creative part of my brain. Over there I'm handling logistics. ठीक है, कोई भी logistics जो मेरी कंपनी के लिए मुझे चाहिए, कोई भी logistic मेरे डेली काम के लिए चाहिए, this is where that peak time is being used. ठीक है, so तुम्हारे हर बंदे के दो peak times होते हैं. ठीक है, and then that peak time you need to have utterly focused. And now how are you going to focus on those peak times? Let's talk about that, right? So what I want you to do is this. First of all, you need to keep your phone on do not disturb. Do not disturb mode. ठीक है, like तुम अपने phone को do not disturb पे रखे, right? This phone, whatever phone you have, ठीक है, put it on do not disturb and throw it away from you. Like you really put it away. And then when you're working on your computer, don't have any multiple tabs open. Only have the tab open that you need to work on. Apart from that, when you sit on your desk, the only thing that should be on your desk is your computer or anything that is necessary for your work to get done, right? For example, अभी मैं आपको क्योंकि webcam लगा हुआ मैं दिखा नहीं सकता, but my desk is super duper clean, like all the time. You know, I'll you know what, I'll attach a little video of me, you know, showing you my desk. Abhi to ye raat ho rahi hai, and then, you know, I don't have many lights on, which I will talk about this. But, you know, when I'm working on my desktop, I only have my keyboard, my mouse, and then, you know, my monitors, right? And ye just speech speakers and that, you know, I use for the sound. And then apart from that, I have this over here, just pe bhi main ye video record kar raha hu, and then my writing pad, which I write from. What a lot of people do is they have so much shit on their desk, like unnecessary shit. किताबें पड़ी हुई हैं, journals पड़े हुए हैं, copies पड़ी हुई हैं, तुम्हारी पेंसिलें पड़ी हुई हैं, तुम्हारे, you know, खिलौने पड़े हुए हैं उसके ऊपर, पता नहीं क्या क्या चीजें पड़ी होती हैं. So remove anything from your desk that brings chaos. And another thing I want to also say is when you're using your computer, right, your files, you want to keep them clean. Keep everything clean in your files, right? तुम्हारे जो download folder है, documents folder है, anything that you have in your computer, you need to keep them organized so you can find your shit faster, right? So really it comes down to organizing everything. हर चीज का तुम्हारा एक SOP होना चाहिए, हर चीज का एक system होना चाहिए. The more you systemize your life, the better and faster you're going to perform your task. ठीक है, so again, keep your desk very clean and remove any distractions. In fact, when I want super deep focus, you know what I do? मैं अपनी सारी lights बंद कर देता हूँ, even ये वाली भी light बंद कर देता हूँ, and the only focus I have is on my screen, so I'm not seeing anything in my peripheral view. ठीक है, and my only focus is this. अगर मैं कहीं और देखूंगा भी मुझे कुछ नजर ही नहीं आएगा. The only thing I will see is this computer. And for that, I would suggest if you wear glasses, you want to use the one that block the blue violet or ultraviolet light, whatever the fuck that is like, you know, whatever I use, it works, right? And it has this like tint or shade which actually helps me to block any light, any harmful light that comes to my eyes. So really ये मुझे ना strain reduce करने में help करता है, so I can focus more, right? And if you're a person who doesn't wear glasses, still get glasses जो कि ये harmful blue light को जो तुम्हारे computer screen से आती है इसको avoid कर सके. You can find those as well. And I got these glasses from Zenni Optical. मैं अमेरिका में होता हूँ तो Zenni Optical is the best, to be honest, best affordable glasses too. Not that I cannot afford it, but you know, glasses बंदे के बदलते रहते हैं. So I think I got this for like $100 with the best lenses possible. So it was really good. With the frame and everything. And then another thing you want to do is you want to make your work enjoyable too. अगर तुम्हारा work enjoyable नहीं होगा, then you never want to come and want to work, right? So you want to make it somewhat enjoyable. So everything on my desk is exactly how I want it, and it's very intentional. ठीक है? So like, you know, one thing I invested in was this mechanical keyboard. ठीक है? जो कि मैं आज तक use करता हूँ, which has this like particular sound, right? So I don't know, it just makes me feel some way. I don't know how to say that. And this is a laptop that I've invested in. This is MacBook M5. लेकिन अगर आपके पास इसकी investment के पैसे वगैरह नहीं है, then still have the things that make your work easier for you, right? अगर तुम इस पे investment कर भी लेते हो, that is a good investment, because any investment that helps you work more is a good investment. No matter how expensive, if it increases your work, it's a good investment. ठीक है? It's a good investment. ठीक है? So you really need to invest in those type of things. And another thing I want to say is, if you're not a content creator, right? You're not a content creator. You're not like, you know, someone who makes content for a living or anything like that. Why are you on the phone all the time? What do you need to watch, right? And this brings me to my point is like, you have more information than you know. you have more than enough information. And and all of this information is stored into your subconscious mind, right? Like, we humans are so used to constant stimulation that we don't want to use our brain at all. And I partly blame the AI, which I use every day, but you need to let your brain use itself as well, right? So that's why, for example, agar tum kaam bhi kar rahe hote na, and you take a break, right, which is very important, you need to take breaks between your work. Don't just go out and start instantly scrolling. When you go out and take a break, just start, just like, grab some fresh air, walk around here and there, let your brain think. Maybe, just take a walk, like din mein ek ya do dafa walk karo, theek hai? And like, don't always put shit in your ears, right? Like, you don't always have to listen to something. I see, like, even when eating, people need to see something, and I'm a big victim of that, and I try to avoid myself of doing that. Another thing is always listening to music. Always listening to music. You don't need to always listen to music, because music is also something that maxes your dopamine. इसलिए आपने कभी कभी नोटिस किया होगा कि there comes a point where no music is hitting at all, right? तुम बदली जाते हो, बदली जाते हो, बदली जाते हो गाना, लेकिन वो मजा आ ही नहीं रहा होता. And sometimes when you're feeling so good, कोई भी म्यूजिक जो लग जाए ना, तुम उसके साथ वाइब करने लग जाते हो. एंड दैट कम्स बैक टू आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डोपामीन डेट, राइट? सो व्हेन you're really enjoying any sort of music, that is because तुम्हारा जो माइंड था ना, उसकी डोपामीन बेसलाइन डाउन थी, उसकी डोपामीन बेसलाइन डाउन थी. एंड when you listen to any sort of music, you enjoy it. But when you keep on listening to music throughout the day, right, your mind is filled with garbage, then your baseline is somewhere is going to be here, and then no amount of music will be able to take it any further, right? So to feel more enjoyment out of the music, you need to stop listening to it. And to be honest with you, I really urge you guys to stop listening to music all the time. I do enjoy music from time to time, but I don't listen to it every time. Like, ऐसा अक्सर होता है कि मैं गाड़ी भी जब चला रहा होता हूँ ना, मैं अगर मुझे दिल नहीं कर रहा ना, मैं unnecessarily music नहीं लगाता. So many of us, we don't even want to listen to music, but since, like, a force of habit, we just sit in our car and we play something. I don't. Sometimes I just want to hear the environment, right? कभी कभी मैं बाहर वॉक पे जाता हूँ. Sometimes I don't put any headphones in. I just walk around. मैं बस नेचर की वॉक करता हूँ, मैं चिड़ियों की आवाज़ें सुनता हूँ, मैं गाड़ियों की आवाज़ें सुनता हूँ. I just want to be in the moment. And it's kind of boring, I'm going to be honest with you. Because, and you've noticed, like, whenever you're in your head, तुम्हें किस तरह के ख्याल आने लग जाते हैं, तुम्हें सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन शुरू हो जाती है, तुम अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सोचने लग जाते हो, उन चीज़ों के बारे में. That is important. That part of the boredom for your mind, it's important, because you're giving your mind enough time to recalibrate all the thoughts and create new experiences, right? And this is where your creativity comes to. आपको क्यों लगता है कि आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी रात के 1-2 बजे होती है, जब आप बेड पे लेटे होते हो? आपको कितने आइडियाज आ रहे होते हैं नए बिजनेस के, ये वो फलाना, वो क्यों हो रहा होता है? Because that is the time you're not giving any stimulation to your mind. You're just staring into nothing, into darkness, right? And when you're doing that, your mind is not occupied with anything, and now you're in your own bubble, and you're letting your mind breathe. This, which is really important, right? Going back to my old point, is you have more than enough information. The only thing lacking in your life right now is there is no action, right? People don't take action. And this comes to business as well. A lot of the people, who have this problem of focus, if you really look at their lives, what they do is they hop from one business opportunity to another. So, like, business one hoga, they get into it. First, they really like it. Unke साथ एक Dunning-Kruger effect होता है, right? Dunning-Kruger effect क्या होता है? When we learn about something new, right? हमारे जो उस चीज की confidence होता है, वो यहाँ पे पहुंच जाता है, right? But as soon with time, the more we get into it, हमें नजर आता है कि यार, we are not as good as we thought we were, and then eventually it start going down. But then यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं ना, they give up, and then they hop into other thing, and then they hop into another business idea. Same effect happens. Then they hop into another business idea, and the problem with that is, with the amount of information that we are given every day, it is very hard to avoid it. That is why you need to avoid any more information and just act on the information that you have already. जो भी business idea तुम्हारे पास है, just start doing it. Start learning skills in that area. जैसे for example, in my community inner circle, now I only teach students meta ads, and meta ads के बाद मैं automation सिखाता हूँ, और automation के बाद सीधा client acquisition. I don't tell them to do anything. In fact, even when they're choosing niches, I've given them 100 niches to pick from, and I made that concept so simple, stupid, that they don't have to do much thinking, and they actually do the fucking work, rather than thinking about, नहीं आज तो ये बंदा कोई चीज कह रहा है, वो अच्छी है, मैं उस पर चला जाता हूँ, नहीं फिर ये तीसरा बंदा. There are always going to be new things that are coming in front of you, right? But if you don't take action on any one of it and don't stick to it, then you're never going to be doing anything in life. You're never going to amount to anything. But because money making is really a skill, right? And just like anything else, to become a master of anything, you need to give it 10,000 hours, right? And that doesn't mean when you reach the 10,000 hour, you're going to be a master of making money. और तुम्हें idea आ जाएगा. While you're working towards those 10,000 hours, there's going to be a lot of opportunities where you're going to make great money. But you need to have stickability, right? This word, stickability. That's what a lot of people lack. पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था कि हमें हमारे बड़े कहते थे कि जितनी knowledge हो सके बोलो, जितनी knowledge हो सके बोलो. And getting more knowledge is good. You should always be learning. But the thing is, you need to have a plan. You need to have a plan of action on one thing that you've decided. And once you've started walking the path on that one thing, right? You have started walking the path on that one thing. Now, any knowledge required to advance you in that one thing, टेक दैट नॉलेज. अगर कोई न्यू नॉलेज ऐसी आती है जो तुम्हें उस वन थिंग से डिविएट करती है, अवॉइड दैट नॉलेज. ठीक है? You understand what I'm saying? So really, and it also boils down to avoiding distractions, avoiding any noise. कोई तुम्हारा दोस्त कहता है आज मेरे पास नया business plan है, while you're already working on one and this is the new hot thing. Avoid that. Here's how you're going to differentiate from other people. 99% of people don't stick to anything, right? And then they complain, right? They join a and this was a problem with some people in inner circle as well, where they would join and then the first thing they're like, where's the money? They don't have stickability. They don't want to watch the videos. They don't want to take advice. They don't, any advice they get, they एक कान से सुनते दूसरे कान से निकालते हैं. And when they don't get results, they're like, why doesn't it work? Because you didn't stick to the damn thing. And the reason why they don't stick to it, because there's another guru who will tell them कि अभी तुम trading में आओ, trading में तुम यूं पैसे डालोगे, यूं निकालोगे, या crypto में आ जाओ. And really, the thing is that no business in this world will make you money if you don't give it enough time. Even when it comes to I'm not a master of trading or crypto, but I can tell you the only people who make good money out of it are the veterans, are the ones who are in this game for couple of years, maybe like for more than 5 years. Those are the ones that really make good money in the long run. The people who just come in new, they usually get either scammed or they usually lose their money, right? And it goes with anything in the world, but you need to, you need to do what? You need to have stickability towards one business, one niche. And it's crazy how people are just seeing now, okay, like all of these boring businesses in America, they're making so much money, right? Like for example, I know someone in Highland Parks. I don't know them actually, but I know through a friend. Landscaping का business है, and that guy is a multi-millionaire. उसकी इतनी बड़ी mansion है Highland Park, when people actually go to his mansion during Christmas time because he has the best decorations. It's a very popular house as well, and his business is landscaping, like literally landscaping, right? Who would have thought? Now I know some of you might be thinking, अच्छा अब हमें landscaping का business करना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. That is not the right approach, because most of you are going to go in that business, you're not going to get any good results, and you're going to get out of it. So really, what's the best niche and what's the best business? The one you stick to. And that's what I tell my students all the time too. The one you stick to is the best one. And then that comes to focus as well. So it comes down to everything you do in life, right? Everything that you do in life comes down to of how focused you are. And it comes down to this. जो लोग इस जिंदगी के अंदर successful होते हैं ना, they avoid distractions like a plague. They avoid unmeaningful distractions. So the only thing I give the most time to, apart from work, and when I'm not doing work, I give it to my family, because that is meaningful, because also that I'm building something and that helps me keep my sanity. The only thing really that helps me keep my sanity is my son, my wife, my family. That is important. And apart from that, it's work. Okay? And that brings us to the point of like, when you're not doing work, what are you doing? When you are, not doing your work, what are you doing? You really need to watch yourself out for that as well. ठीक है, कि जब तुम काम नहीं कर रहे हो तो तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तो are you watching porn? Are you watching Netflix shows, TV shows, and all of that crap that's not going to even matter 1 year or 2 years down the line? Or are you actually giving time to something that is really, really important in the long run, right? What are you doing with that time? Because when you're taking a rest and you're giving time to all of that crap, like, तुम video games खेलने लगे हो, ठीक है, तुम TV shows देखने लगे हो, तुम porn देखने लगे हो, and all of that stupid shit, what you're doing is you're taking your dopamine level up again, right? जो तुम्हारी dopamine का benchmark था, तुम उसको वापस ऊपर ले जाते हो. And now when you come back to your work, it's going to be harder for you, right? So don't do things that gives you a lot of stimuli. Now, I'll give you the reality of all of this protocol. Most of us, including me, we can only do this maybe 3 months straight, and then we might deviate, right? Because life happens, new shit comes in. But if you understand this protocol, you can always come back to it, right? You can always come back to it, right? So let's say तुम 3 months बाद deviate हो गए हो, which is normal because life happens. खुदा ना खास्ता family में कोई मसला हो जाता है, कोई death हो जाती है, कोई natural disaster हो जाता है. Anything could happen in this life, right? It's very unpredictable. But once you're level-headed again, you can always bring back this routine of, dopamine debt. तो वापस अपनी dopamine को debt में लाओ, नीचे लेके जाओ, ठीक है, अपने benchmark को, and that will help you make your work really, really exciting, right? So use this as a tool, right? Whenever you need it the most, all of these practices that I've told you, use them as a tool and use it for 3 months straight, okay? And to be very honest with you, I would say 10 to 20% of the people make it a lifetime habit, right? And this is very important. And for a lot of the people who are single and they don't have, they're not married, they have kids, this is the easiest for you to implement. Although when you are married and you have kids, it gives you motivation to do well in life as well. I can tell you that ever since I was married, I started making more money, started hustling more. And especially when I had my kid Eisen, who is almost 2 now, I have been going nuts to butts of finding ways to make money. And only after Eisen, I've truly found success, right? Or, found a way to truly build wealth and really, but, it didn't come at the cost of nothing. It costed me everything, all of my time, all of my social life. I don't watch any animes now. I don't watch any new movies. I don't watch any new TV shows. I don't watch anything. The only fun activity I do is go out with my family. हम malls पे चले जाते हैं, हम restaurants पे चले जाते हैं. All of these real experiences that I'm doing, right? या हम कभी travel कर लेते हैं. That is really fun for me. Or, I give my time, I play with my kid, उसके खिलौने खेल लिए, wife के साथ गपशप मार ली, time spend किया. दैट इज माई फन टाइम. या मेरा भाई आ जाता है, वली आता है, उसके साथ कभी हुक्का शुक्का पी लिया, कोई ऐसी चीज कर ली. बट देन अगेन, आई नेवर वेस्ट टाइम ऑन थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट एडिंग डायरेक्ट वैल्यू और दे आर नॉट रियल. Anything that is not real is not important to me. And then even then, they know how much I work, right? I tell them, like जब time बहुत ज़्यादा होने लग जाए, मैं कहता हूँ I have to get back to work, so I need no distractions, so you guys need to find something else to do because I'm going to be unavailable. And this is how you have to be, right? Building something or building the life of your dreams is a lot of sacrifice. The concept of sacrifice, in order to achieve something great in this life, you have to give something great in return as well. मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में भी बात की थी, this one dialogue from this anime I used to watch, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, जिसमें कहा था humankind cannot gain anything. Let me actually write this down because it's bars. Humankind cannot gain anything without giving something in return. In this life, it's not possible without giving something in return. ठीक है? Without giving something in return. To obtain something, you need to give something back in equal value. And this is the crux of life. Even Khuda bhi humse kya mangta hai? The only thing Allah ever asks us for is sacrifice. Sacrifice of your time, ताकि तुम अपना टाइम sacrifice करके नमाज पढ़ो. जब बड़ी ईद आती है, क्या मांगते हैं? Sacrifice of life. Now, you cannot do a human life, so God replaced it with what? With an animal, the animal that you love and care for deeply. So, tum khoon bahate ho Allah ke naam pe, you sacrifice that, right? So sacrifice is like, if you understand the concept of sacrifice, then everything is going to become clear to you, right? So again, focus, remove distractions, and understand the concept of sacrifice. I can make another video of having the mindset of the winners and what is my thought process and how do I attract wealth to myself. मैं किस तरह अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ सोचता हूँ, क्या चीज़ें मैं अपने आप को बोलता हूँ, what positive affirmations I give to myself to attract wealth. That's the next video we can cover. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and like the video. And I have a community, Inner Circle 3.0, where I teach students mindset, a niche selection, creating your offer, then meta ads, automations, and sales to get your first high paying client. So what I really teach is how to get your first high paying international client, okay, using meta ads, automation, and sales. Okay? And to access that, you can go to the link down below and you're going to come to this page. Do watch this video because I explain everything over here. How do I make money, my agency, or मेरी story, और मेरे students ने कौन से result लाए, और मैं सारा process बताता हूँ, what we do in Inner Circle मैं सारा explain करता हूँ. And then when you want to join, you can message me the word circle on Instagram and my team will get back to you and give you the offer. Oh yeah, and the rate of the community is also discussed in this video at approximately 9:30 mark. But okay, like I have 2 offers, base and pro, so whatever one you want, just message the word circle and tell us which offer you want and we'll send you the link and we'll see if you qualify and we'll get you in. And if you don't want it, you can watch the free content as well because I drop a lot of valuable information here as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.